Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites so you don't chase the wrong fix. Update the Ps5 system software if prompted, and make sure your HDMI cable is seated. Once done, power on the console, sign into your profile, and go to the home screen. From there, navigate to Settings. You need accessibility to reach color options. Begin with accessibility rather than display so changes apply to UI and games. This prevents toggling unrelated TV. Once in accessibility, open display and text size and locate color inversion. You'll see a toggle that flips colors across the UI. Switch it off if it's enabled. If colors still look odd, adjust contrast and button assignments to rule out accessibility overrides. Make sure to return to the dashboard, and a running game to verify the change applies everywhere. If the inverted effect persists only in specific apps, check that app's own display settings next. Finish by restarting the console so settings take full effect. A reboot often clears residual display state. If inversion continues, boot Ps5 into safe mode and choose Rebuild Database. This fixes corrupted UI data without deleting accounts. Make sure to test with a different HDMI port or cable and try a different TV to isolate hardware. If nothing works, backup saves and perform a factory reset as a last resort. Tip: check safe mode options before resetting to avoid unnecessary data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.